Hi guys, welcome back. I would like to show you a small demo how to replace a jet. Normally the wear and tear of a jet is very less actually, but there are incidents where the customer needs some high flame, low flame or the blockage or wear and tear, normal wear and tear. So I'll just show you the tools what we're going to use for the removing the jet or replacing the jet. We have a 8 mm tubular spanner which is mandatory, screwdriver, screwdriver. You need to remove the clamps where the cogs have been fixed actually. You have two clamps actually, so whichever cogs having the jets to be replaced, that particular clamp needs to be removed. Now this cog is having a problem, so we'll have to replace this. So we are removing the clamps. Cog is taken out of the mixing tube. Don't forget to put the sealant. The sealant is mandatory to avoid leakages. So the sealant needs to be put. Sealant is applied on the jet.